Okay, so the first step is before you start posting about anything, you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to show you the sections that you need to have as well as how it should look like. So if I go over to my profile right here, which is handle is linkedin.com in Ivana Bosniak. So that's my official profile. Like I said, I've used it before and I'm just getting back to LinkedIn. So what I did do is I started looking at what I could do better. So one of the things is to have a better banner. So right in here, you want to tell people exactly what it is that you do and have a link or basically have a URL of your website. You want to have a professional photo. Do not do anything that's unprofessional. This is a professional network, so people really want this. Another thing that you want to have is this section right here, which is about you. All of these sections you can edit by going to a little pen right here. And I use Canva to create these images, so it's super simple, right? What you also want to have is a URL to your website in your description or about you section. And then what you want to have also is what type of services you provide or what it is that you do. That should be in here. And then these are like featured links, and these links people really click on. So if people are talking about you, they're going to check your profile, and what you want is to have a direct link for them to get in touch with you or go to the website. At the moment, I have these three. I'm sure I'm going to be changing these images. To be honest, I'm not really happy with them right now, but hey, I'm one of those girls, better done than perfect, so it's okay for right now. So this link leads people to Ads Growth Academy, which is a membership I run with Yogesh. This right here is a free course that we are giving away, which will be changed. Actually, we're giving away something else. And then this right here is for people to actually get in touch with me and have a 45-minute consultation. The reason I offer this for free is because oftentimes people want to run ads to their business or their website, but they're not ready for ads. We do not onboard clients until we talk to them. So this is a way for me to have a conversation before we see if they're ready for it. Because sometimes it just takes a little while for the setup to be done before you can run ads to your website, right? Okay, and then you will have your activity right here, and there's also about you section. And you want to talk about your portfolio, what you have done, so people actually see that you know what you're talking about. So right in here, that is what you want to do. I actually need to change something here because that email is not active anymore. And then I have some experience from before that you can add as well, because it just tells people, it's kind of like a little resume, but it's one-page profile that tells people what it is that you do. This is going to lead me into the next section, which is going to be who you're talking to and knowing exactly what type of clients you want to attract, because that's going to help you create the content that you need to get those type of people coming to you, right? So this is how your profile should look like. There's also one more section, and that is endorsements. Well, the skills you can put all kinds of skills that you have, but then people actually put endorsements for you. So as you grow, people are gonna hire you. You may want to ask them to leave like a feedback. So this is kind of like a real testimonial on your profile, which is not bad. Also, you can put languages. I speak two, Croatian and English, even though I do my business in English. But this is how your profile should look like. So about you section, you should have 2 or 3 featured links, because that leads them directly to your page. And then you should have what type of services you provide and like real good statements about what it is that you do. Okay, so this is it when it comes to the profile. Let's move on to the next training.